so time out. There will be nothing politically correct in this workshop. The reason why is because for me to do a politically correct workshop means I have to psychically read. Let me write it down. I'm getting nervous. Okay. I cannot do a politically correct workshop because that would mean that I would have to psychically read every single one of your minds, go onto all your Facebook pages, learn everything about you, and know every single thing that's going on in your mind so that I will say something that upsets you. Does anybody have a different, is that pretty accurate, or does anybody have a different version? Right? Because political correctness is a lot of, just, it's our minds thinking that something should be different, irrelevant of how the other person thinks, and then like we think, like, how many people know somebody that you know they should change? Okay, got it. Does anybody think you should change? No, okay, no, for real. Yeah. By the way, but other people want you to change. How's that working? You do it immediately. Are you a people pleaser? No, so you're lying. Okay, yeah, that'll be great. But here, and listen, we lie all the time about everything, and then we look at other people like, how dare you lie? It's because we're humans, we lie, we have stories. It's ridiculous. If you make enough stories, you're a movie director. I mean, or you're a script writer. It's insane. Alright, so the purpose of that is because what's going to happen is, I'm going to say things, and then you, as adults, get to take all the responsibility of your power and your thoughts and throw it on me and say, I said something that upset you. Now, that's not real, because nobody can say anything that upsets you. You're the ones that choose how to hear something, respond to it, interpret it, give it meaning. But then there's that whole world of responsibility that we're going to talk about throughout the whole entire day, and we're going to have a real good understanding of what it's like to be responsible for our own thoughts. Because, like, for example, has anybody here ever said, I had a child push my buttons? Okay, got it. Can somebody show me your buttons, please? Yeah.